Going here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got the IBM Selectric here today. Just going to do a quick little video on how to remove keytops. It's been brought up before. This one is popped off by itself. Of course, stick it in there. I usually just use a drop of super glue to hold it in place, but you can also put the little piece of paper in here, wedge it in the slot there, and wedge it down in there if you want to just do a friction fit. But so Selectric's here. Keytops are on here pretty tight most of the time. They make a keytop removal tool. Looks just like this, and it works on most typewriters. And it's pretty simple. You stick it around the keytop like that, squeeze it, and one of the keys to taking keytops off is rocking the keytop forward and backwards like this, and then it will just come right off. You want to rock this forward and backwards because of that slot right there. So if you rock it, it will come loose out of the slot. So this is a pretty handy device, and it fits most typewriters. It fits down there, it goes underneath the keytop, and then you can rock it off, pull it off, rock it off, whatever you got to do. But if you don't have one of these, another tool that I use, I've been using for 40 years, is the plumber's pliers. It's got these teeth, this gripper here, and I'll tell you, it fits all kinds of stuff. Now, it might leave a mark on some keytops, depending on how hard you grip it and how hard the keytop is, but if it's on there like one of these, you can just take this and put it on the front and back like that, squeeze it, rock it just like I did the other ones, and that will come right off. But like I said, it will sometimes leave a mark. A little mark. Not much. Sometimes you can't even notice it. Other times it doesn't leave a mark at all. Same key is to rock it. Okay, if all else fails, you don't have that and you don't have that, let's go with a screwdriver. I'm not sure what size. This is kind of a medium-sized screwdriver. And what you need to do is get some leverage. So this has all these bars, these levers here, right here. And what you would want to do is get it underneath. I'm going to try the E right here. Get it underneath the E. Let's go to this side. It's got a little more of a gap right there. And then get the blade against one of these levers and use some leverage and pry it up and try to get this thing like that, so it comes off. So those are some methods to get keytops off typewriters, in particular the IBM Selectrics. Again, when we reinstall these, either glue them or pressure fit them. A lot of IBMs will just snap back in there. You can feel them kind of get in there pretty tight, so you don't have to do anything. But that was the video of the day. This is the tool here that's hard to reproduce the action of this tool. Alright, Phoenix Typewriter. Good day.